I believe
I can fly. I believe I can fly.
I believe I can touch the sky.
Gino,
Jake, serious.
OK. 今天这集呢，我要跟大家来讨论一个非常 popular 的 issue. This popular issue is really happened a lot in Taiwan for like 5 years already.
Really?
Yeah, like 5 years ago, so many people discuss about this, and so many YouTubers try to teach maybe English YouTuber. They're teaching English in their channel. They're trying to tell us what's the right way to pronounce these two words.
Okay.
But now I know you are really professional English speaker.
I try.
You spoke like 28 years ago. You are maybe not the best in the world, but you are maybe the best in Taiwan.
Oh yeah, easily.
Easily?
Easily.
Okay.
Where I'm in the room I'm in Taiwan.
Yeah.
I'm usually the best English speaker.
Oh. Okay, now's the word. Ikea.
Ikea.
What? Ikea.
There we go. Ikea.
Ikea? So what's the right way to pronounce?
Ikea.
So many Taiwanese would pronounce like Ikea.
Why?
Because I pronounce E. I-E-E-E. Ikea.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Why Ikea?
You have to remember.
You have to convince me.
English makes no sense. That's.
Why would I have
the
to
best
learn the English, learn the language like without any rule?
Yeah, that's a tough life. Give me a second. You have Ikea. Why is it Ikea? The great answer for that is most people who speak English will never know why it's Ikea.
So when
someone in Sweden
say,
what would you know?
Maybe,
Ikea the founder.
Maybe we have to ask Ikea founder to make sure what's the pronunciation.
So Ikea comes from Sweden, and you have to remember in America we have all the countries. So Swedish people come, Italian people come, Japanese people come, Chinese people come, Taiwanese people come, and we learn all these words that make no sense in English.
对.
So now we have Ikea. It doesn't really make sense in English, but we all know how to say it because we've been introduced to it. So it's very hard for somebody to come to America and understand how to say something when most Americans have no idea, or people from other countries have no idea why it sounds like that. We just know it does.
So if I ask a police officer in America, say, "Sir, do you know where's Ikea?" What's the reaction? Okay.
You ask a police officer? I'm sorry, I don't know. You ask a bad police officer, he's just gonna go, just keep walking straight.
But there's no Ikea down the street.
No Ikea. He just tells you to keep moving.
Keep moving, just get away.
Yeah, from me. You can always tell when the police officer is very busy because he's like, just keep moving.
Don't block my view.
Don't cause any trouble here. They want you to keep moving so you don't cause
be safe and you'll be safe.
Yep.
Okay, so you know Ikea, this pronunciation way before, right?
I know because I study Chinese, so I meet Chinese people, but average person won't know it.
Okay, then what's the next sentence? The next word is C-O-S-T-C-O.
Costco.
Costco? Not Costco.
No, not Costco.
Why? Because C-O-S, how to pronounce C-O-S only. C-O-S is short term. Cost or cost.
Coast.
What? C-O-S, coast, but C-O-S-T-C-O, Costco.
So I have no idea, but I have a hypothesis. Costco. It's not Costco.
Yeah.
Because I don't know. I could be wrong. So we have to check. Costco is two words that have been put together.
Oh, you mean cost and co?
Co is short for company. So I think it's
like C-O and period.
Yep.
Or point.
Yep. So I think it's cost company or low cost company. And then they just put together Costco and made one word. So cost. Maybe. I don't know. It makes sense in my mind. It's not real.
Wow, makes sense, but where's low?
Makes sense in my mind.
Yeah, so why would I have to pronounce Costco? Because so many Americans will pronounce Costco. But I should pronounce like Costco because I think C-O-S is coast. Like C-O-S-P-L-A-Y, cosplay.
Cosplay.
Cosplay? 为什么是 cosplay?
Cosplay, because costume.
Costume, I know, costume.
Yeah. Cosplay, you dress up. You play like you're a costume.
You have to learn more about English pronunciation.
I will try.
Take your time.
I will practice.
好，那大家知道今天怎么总结的话，3个字，第一个字
Ikea，
第二个字
Costco，
第3个字
cosplay。
这集不是我来教，我请到专业的江杰老师。OK， 如果还喜欢这集的英文发音教学的话，记得订阅。那我们下集见喽，拜拜。
Jake is serious，拜拜。